Welcome, class, to U.S. Government and Politics, PSC 203. And during this class, we will be studying the basics and essentials of American government and politics. I wanted to move us through the Moodle portal today for about 5 minutes of your time to go over some of the basics about the class. My email is dmonda number 01 at manhattan.edu. That's dmonda01 at manhattan.edu. When you sign up for the class and log on to the class portal on Moodle, this is the front page that you'll see. I've placed the announcements on the front page. You can click on them to view the announcements for the week. And I have posted a general overview for the class and what the expectations are. The class will be fully online and asynchronous, so that means we do not have any actual synchronous times, any times when we'll all be on the Moodle portal at the same exact time. And we work asynchronously. However, I will be posting weekly brief lecture highlights for some of the important course components over the next few weeks, the next 7 weeks of the class. The general class breakdown is we will have 2 quizzes, one on the 17th, one on July the 19th, August the 2nd. Our midterm will be on the 26th July. I'll have one reflection piece that I will also post on Moodle on a reflection piece of your choice, and we'll speak further on that assignment towards the middle of the class, and then your final will be due on August the 14th. And if you head back to the home page, I have also pasted the course syllabus over there, and the course syllabus looks something like this. You have my email right here highlighted, dmonda 01 at manhattan.edu. This class is fully online and asynchronous, and we'll be examining fundamental institutions, players, and processes in American government for this class. So take a look at some of the course objectives, some of the major themes and topics we'll be thinking about for this class. As I'd mentioned before, we'll do the 2 quizzes, 1 reflection assignment, a midterm, and a final for this class. The course text is by Ginsberg, We the People. Please keep a tab of the readings for each week, and please make sure all your assignments are in on time. Late assignments will not be accepted, so please make a point of turning in your assignments on time. The due dates for the assignments are posted on the grade distribution page. Your grading scale is highlighted there also. I have some paragraphs there on students with special needs, academic integrity issues, and classroom conduct in the online space. I've also posted on the syllabus a schedule of our assignments for each week. So this week is week 1. We'll be talking about foundation of the Constitution. It's my expectation you'll read through chapter 2. And week 2, which goes from July 6th to the 12th, we'll be dealing with federalism, so on and so forth. The due dates for each assignment are also posted on the course schedule. And I will have the quiz, the midterm, the reflection, and the final. All your assignments will be done via Moodle. So I'll post those on the a few days before the assignments are due, and I'll give you sufficient time in order to be able to complete those assignments. The other part of the class that we want to look at is on Moodle is the expectations for the readings and course content for each week. So I've clearly highlighted each week and the dates on Moodle, and those correspond with the dates also put on your syllabus. So it's easy to follow, correlate the weeks on the syllabus with the weeks you have here on Moodle. I have the course content also placed on Moodle. And you can see week 2 will be dealing with federalism, week 3 will be dealing with Congress, week 4 the presidency, week 5 the judiciary or our courts, week 6 we have the economy, and week 7 we have foreign policy issues. On week 7 I have an exam review material, and feel free to look through that material even in week 1. It provides sample multiple choice questions, short answer questions that will be helpful in enabling you to prepare for your midterm, for your quizzes, and for your final. So when I post the weekly lectures, I will have them here on Moodle on the home page under the weekly tabs for Moodle. So they will be placed under each weekly tab for each week, and I'll generally make them short and straight to the point, and basically highlighting some of the common themes that are important. If you need to reach me, my email is on the syllabus, and it's dmonda01 at manhattan.edu. We will have a small class for this session, so please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, and I will be glad to respond to you as soon as I can to make sure that you are able to reach out and you're able to reach and read the material in a sound and in a very efficient way. Again, thank you so much for being in this class, and I trust that you will have a great evening. Please stay safe and healthy.